Hello friend, today our Excel secret is how to keep our e-file record in computer using Microsoft Excel. We will write here the heading of our drive name. We will copy the files by pressing shift key and right click of mouse. You can see here we will find the option copy as path. And where from file name start, we will click here and copy and press Ctrl F, then Ctrl V by for pasting and replace all the file path. Now we will replace extensions right here. Copy file name of extension and paste here on find and remove tab. Here we will remove and we have all the file name of the drive in an Excel copy. Here we can manage our record of all the files we want to keep it in separate Excel sheet. We can save it anywhere on our PC.